My daughter put cat stickers in my pocket. You want a cat sticker?
You're all set for March. Even a stage one, I can't do anyone good in March, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Just picked up my March bus pass that allows me to use the bus whenever, wherever I want. I just checked with my financial aid too. I'm still due for another lump sum of money, which yay. And the anxiety's gone. I finally reached campus. It is like 2:15 now. My class, like I said, isn't until 3. And I'm thinking about just stopping into the library and getting a matcha because I need to kind of treat myself, and coffee is not going to help because coffee's probably the culprit of why I feel this way. So, because coffee and caffeine and yeah, it's just a bit much. Shots of vanilla and coconut and cold water. Oh, milk, please.
Hey, Jason.
my veggie dumplings and a spicy sushi roll, please.
Spicy roll and a veggie dumpling.
Yeah, I think I get the same thing every time.
Spicy crab. Not spicy. Spicy tuna, spicy salmon.
Just a veggie today.
Huh?
Just a veggie roll today, please.
Veggie roll? Oh, with the spicy. Oh, okay, okay.
What we have an opportunity to do when kids are young is help them build skills to manage those skills. And you can't build skills.
People have died from the disaster. Turkish officials say that at least 180 people have been arrested in connection to potentially shady building construction that may have contributed to the death toll. A spokesperson for the Turkish president emphasized.
So Buffalo is going through another blizzard right now. Clearly, it was not like this earlier. This is the third storm we're getting this year. The first time was the blizzard in 22, which happened on Christmas. Wow, that dude just ran a stop sign. That's great. Love you too. Then over the weekend, we just had a really big ice storm, and now we're in the middle of a blizzard again. So I'm just walking to go get Shiloh, and then I'm going to Target to get some dinner food, and then I'm going home because yeah, it's a blizzard. Gotta love suburban parking lots. Actually, I'm not even in the suburb. It's a blizzard. It's a blizzard. Good morning, fellow humans. I have so many things to tell you. First off, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading. Kind of burned out, kind of sick, the whole 9 yards. You guys know the story. My cat says hi. Let's say hi to Lily. Say hi to Lily. But anyway, first things first, it's midterm week, which is why I have been busy. I've been studying, I've been coding, I have been doing life, mom things, wife things, human things. You know, the typical day in the life. But I haven't been recording because I feel like I do the same things every single day. So there's that. I am currently working on some midterms because I kind of forgot about some of them. I do have some online classes, and I do this thing where I will read through everything and then I will get to this later. And then I forget. And then I panic because I'm like, oh no, the due date is coming up. So there's that. So now I am rushing to, oh, not rushing, today's what, the 16th? Yeah, today's the 16th. Tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day, so happy St. Patrick's Day to all of my Irish friends and family and my YouTube community. I love St. Patrick's Day. I am so Irish, it is disgusting. But yeah, that's another story. Anyway, back to what I was doing, midterms. Yes, working on midterms, studying. Yeah. Oh, good news. The good news. Because I have good news and bad news. The good news is I got an internship with M&T Tech Reserves. Now, my advisor was really praising me and hyping me up and supporting me through the entire process. Now, I applied for this back in October of 2022, and I did not think anything of it because I never heard from them within that period of time. A month ago, I got my first interview, and I was super excited. The guy really seemed to like me and my answers and everything and my resume. And then I thought they ghosted me because I did not hear back from them. And then all of a sudden I get an email saying that congratulations, you now have a second interview. And I'm like, yes. And I'm so excited. And the girl literally said, I want you on my team. You put creative on your resume. You have all of this video experience, video editing, film editing. And obviously I'm a girl in tech. I'm a tech girly. So I did that. And I did that. I'm getting so distracted. But I got the internship. It is $28 an hour, as far as I know. It is subject to change. I have not gotten the emails, the confirmation emails or anything yet. Hopefully within the next couple days, I will get them. So there's that, and I'm so excited. And bad news is I'm very sick. I have I'm probably not that sick anymore. Last week I was diagnosed with 2 infections. So I've been on antibiotics and all of these things, and the infections are due to the MS medicine I'm on, suppressing my immune system, because, you know, I just love that for me. So wear your mask, wash your hands. If you're sick, stay home, because people like me can at any second. You can probably tell that I'm drinking Celsius because your girl is so hyper, and it's only 8:15. I have class at 10:50. So I'm just trying to go through my midterms, organize my papers. My office is once again a disaster. I should probably clean it up. I don't even have a bra on yet. I'm still in my pajamas. I got up, I got Shiloh up, got her on the bus, made her lunch, not in those orders because obviously lunch would come first. Pet my cats, fed my cats. Sorry, I'm just smacking you. Yeah. Meow. But yeah, I'm gonna get this done, and then I'll catch you guys later. I'll probably bring you guys to school with me. What is up with my hair? I did brush my hair today. That's a start. Good job, Heather. Good job. Patting myself on the back. It is such a beautiful day out. It smells like spring. Obviously there's still snow on the ground, but it's just the atmosphere. It's 40 degrees. The birds sound absolutely beautiful. I am really enjoying the day. I feel like it's gonna be a really good day. I do. I'm a little stressed due to midterms, but I got this. But it's such a beautiful day. I'm trying to practice gratitude and just remind myself of how good I really have it in my life compared to where I used to be. I was a mess when I was younger, but I really have a really good life. And I always have to remind myself that. I have to ground myself, have to be in the moment. I gotta do my mantra. My advisor actually taught it to me. It's, what is it? I forgive you, I'm sorry, thank you, I love you. And she says she practices that every day, and I've been trying to remember to do it myself, but I always end up forgetting the order in which you say it in. I'll leave it down below if you guys are interested in this mantra. Like I said, it is a Hawaiian tradition or a Hawaiian practice, and it's supposed to help with gratitude, enlightenment, forgiving yourself, things like that. And I like it. It's pretty cool. But right now I'm just walking to the bus to head to the university, and I believe today's the last day before I have spring break, which is also super exciting, and I do plan on sleeping a lot during spring break. Yes.